Oh, Bafana Bafana, Sawin, Uyelele Bafana Bafana, Sawin, oh Sawina, Uyelele Bafana Bafana, oh Sawin, oh Bafana Bafana, Sawin, Uyelele, oh Sawina, Uyelele, oh. So we just did it when it matters the most, when the whole Africa is against us, but I don't even want to get into that, bruh. Those comment sections, they've been mad, but so Puma politicians, but too. Congratulations to Norway. Congratulations to Bafana Bafana after a very long time. For the first time in forever, we are out of group stages. And as Pumaguma group stages, Gusibo number 3, we are out of group stages by being on position number 2, bruh. I know all over the world they were making memes of our points. It was first time ball and stuff, but today we showed it was on our favor, for being honest. The boys showed like they need it more. And man, Masego Makai, I don't wanna lie. Yo. I don't know how many opportunities you needed for Gucci Uteneso Kore. I don't know how many opportunities you needed, my guy, for Gucci Utenukore, my guy, because if you didn't score in this match, it was going to be big, huge. Yeah, we also criticized my guy. It was gonna be a hard thing for you. It was gonna be a whole South Africa against you. But I just hope with South Africa we're gonna be supporting Bafana when they are on their worst and when they are doing good, just like they did today. And my question still is that why didn't we start like this when we were playing against Mexico, Prana? Why didn't we start like this? And today we are playing against like their hardest opponent out of one kilama teams now available group A available. Don't be misled by our results and the way we were playing available and think maybe Mexico was much better whatsoever. The boys showed Ihanga today and everything just went the way I once had the Mexico beat in Ziyech or in Czech or in, and then we won, and then we all jumped all the way to position number 2, man. Congratulations once again. Wow. As much as my energy levels are so low because right now it is currently 5 a.m. and it got to play a very match. So yeah, let's just get to the match. On the starting lineup, it was the way I predicted, and I shooted a video I predicted starting lineup, and I couldn't actually upload it because we'll go hamburg case available. Everything that I predicted available starting lineup, it was there from a back line, midfield, attacking midfielder, and then the forward. All of them, they were just there, bro. I just felt like Hugo Bros had my prayers, bro. It seems like we're having the same mindset. And I just want to say something else again. It's South Korea today. They were playing 3-4-3, which means they were defending with 5 available at the back. I think everybody says like it doesn't work. It doesn't work out, especially if you wanna like attack. It doesn't work out because like be limit in terms of very creativity and stuff available on their side. Well, as much as they had like more position somehow, but being effective available when they were going forward. So yeah, let's just get into the match available. It's my match. Everything was good. The boys available. Defense 8 was good. Ocon today, we just need to give the boy credit also. Like actually did very well today. So from like defense, we're doing good. And Uyaya Sithole, welcome back, my guy. I know which like it has been a hardest. You've been going through a lot, even like no social media platforms are call you or valid or private and stuff. And hope my guy, which like you're recovering from all you've recovered available. I hope this will be giving you confidence available. So yeah, our midfield was okay. It was the way I predicted it available. and and then in and forward available everything is just it was just the way available big predictor corner, and then we're just like we're playing our usual football available, building from the back. But it's a Michael match I saw which like they don't trust to see us it's all that much, but as time goes on available they started passing him available. I'm a ball available in the middle, and then my problem in the first half by faith it was that Uguti offensive wise available, and our attackers they're not giving us that much. They were not giving us that. We were just losing very ball very reckless. Even like really now, Masakala available. He was just losing available. Ball available. Masakala, and then we were not reacting quick. A sense of agency. I felt like we could have done better, especially with the opportunities that we got. There was a opportunity that was gotten first by Masego available, and then the boy didn't score. That's at least the most clear almost clear opportunities available kule match le, but like he didn't convert them, was taking too much time on the ball. And then there was a time also now Mahopa was gotten a ball available, and then because he can't use his left, I don't know, he can't use his left or whatsoever, but like I felt like with sense of agency game was Amakila is things upgrade. They were supposed to be on a higher level, but the guy didn't available score that opportunity available first half where back and recover lady border without him even shooting yabo. So that was the thing being Khalil, because it was the thing of good. If South Korea gotten those chances, they were going to definitely kill us, but like the defense was very solid, which is why Abanga sang about what all available Loma opportunities law. So it was just that thing, and then second half it was again which we were supposed to try again and again and again and again, and Masek was just becoming a threat available again and again, but it was just taking too long on the ball. Sometimes it doesn't release the ball, it doesn't take a shot the moment available and require, and then it happened to go to the introduce Moremi available. And then by the time I introduced Muremo, Wabesega score available. But before even Muremo they were introduced, I also want to speak about Aswina Police. Many of our band but a police wasn't available, showing up available even with like Umahopa. But I beg you Uguti to just go and watch a rematch available and analyze those two players. The bang is let me first speak about Umahopa. Umahopa so far he's the player that was able to fight for like ama long balls vele na jewels amaningi ukuthi like our fight and vele our win more than Renazi and Line Foster available since they were introduced. So he's a striker, so it's available, was able to do that. The only thing engikhalelayo about him is that if the boy can become angaba like the technique and be clinical it can become something else, because like even like nago PSL and stuff akabnayo like lento le ukuthi like makashootha like ibhola kube like just kill, akanayo that fact ukuthi like he just kills available. But like in terms of like his strike available sikwazi ukuthi available sigmakele drop collect the ball available comfortable in the ball, play on combine with the midfielders and stuff he's actually good when it comes to that available. But like that killer instinct of finishing available, clear scoring opportunity or putting your body very in line I've never actually seen that very from him. Shoot very and then the boy is top and then so that is what he was actually bringing on this match. And then as when a police as much as Bayanga Vilanga, but those opportunities now Batola Vilumasego and stuff, it was also no police starting the transaction from which market to receiver valley here on the left hand side to receiver. He's able to really on the right position, you really will be passing it available forward or or like he'll be the one who's giving us those through balls available. That Laba Masego, and then Masego just took in a little bit more time or available. So that was just him available from like Lesotho, and then Maremi Utemangen available. He started Gucci going very forward because that side, the left hand side, wasn't available, working that much. And shout out also another player that we need to give like gloves. It is CLP also showed that today because he was covering available. Very good for Onto Umutiba, because that side I have like a friend about Sele like Santo. We kind of like accurate available on the left hand side and stuff. People they are saying which okay, he was saying which Velumuti but he'll be tested the more, and it might happen which like he might not keep up or whatsoever available. But TLP was there na, and he suggested ukuthi mhlawumbe sifake like even okay, let me just get over to that vele yabo ngakhuluma lo, but I hope ukuthi you all actually understand vele yabo lento vele ngisho ukuthi TLP was covering vele yabo, and Modiba just finds himself on right positions vele yabo most of the time when it comes when offensively vele yabo and also defensively. So congratulations. Overall, this wasn't our best performance available than lebe sidlala vele on the previous game, but it is the same approach lesithathile available, and I'm proud of the boys. Congratulations for the first time in history. And yeah, man, as a country, I don't wanna lie, we needed this the most more than like everything else, especially for the things that's actually happening available in our country currently and whatsoever that is happening about, which I'm not gonna comment on, but we just needed it. And I hope the world is gonna be watching. And please give Uri again another match where the Badleluzu number 10. The boy was actually good today, if we're being honest. Tango! Let me go to sleep, bro. Even like my energy levels are down. Another thing, don't forget to like Buffet too. Please like the video. Thumbs up. It actually helps a lot, like and subscribe. And yeah, bro.